Hello, and welcome to my review of this Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. In this video, I'm going to take a closer look at this device. I'm going to cover the design, display, performance, cameras, and battery life so you can decide whether or not this phone is worth your money. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus looks and feels like a premium phone. It has a sleek, slim body with a gorgeous 6.67 inches OLED display, and both the front and back of this device are Gorilla Glass 5. This makes it super durable and less prone to scratches. The right side of the phone is reserved for the volume rockers and power button, which doubles as a fingerprint sensor. The left side is clean, while the bottom portion is home to a SIM tray, primary microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a speaker grill. The top side features an IR blaster, a Redmi Classic, followed by a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. You also get to see a stereo speaker setup and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Redmi Note 12 Pro has dual SIM support, and both trays support 5G connectivity. But sadly, this device has no support for a micro SD card. As for water and dust resistance, the device comes with an IP53 rating. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor on this device is quick and responsive, and it also doubles as a sleep-wake button. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus also has face unlock, but it's not as secure as the fingerprint. The display on this phone is absolutely stunning. The 6.67 inches OLED screen has a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, an aspect ratio of 20:9, and a pixel density of 395 ppi, which makes everything look sharp and vibrant. The screen also has a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, which means that scrolling and navigating the phone feels super smooth. This screen can display 1 billion colors and has HDR10 Plus playback support. It also has a max brightness of 900 nits. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus runs on MIUI 14, Xiaomi's custom user interface. MIUI 14 is intuitive and easy to use, and it provides a range of customization options that allow you to tailor your phone to your specific needs. In terms of performance, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus does not disappoint. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset, which is a flagship-level processor. The phone also comes with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage depending on which version you choose. Apps open quickly, and multitasking was a breeze. I also appreciate that the phone comes with 5G connectivity, which is rapidly becoming a must-have feature. Gaming on this device is decent, and you can play most games at high settings with some occasional frame drops. So for better FPS, you'd want to bump down the graphics to medium or low. The liquid cooling in the device is perfectly capable of preventing the device from overheating even during gaming sessions. The device only got ever so slightly warm, but not enough to make it uncomfortable. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus has a massive 5000 mAh battery, which should easily last you about full day of moderate use. The phone also supports fast charging, with a 120-watt charger included in the box. This device can be charged up from 0 to 100% in just under 30 minutes. The camera on the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus is another standout feature. It has a quad camera setup on the back, which includes a 200-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro. The front-facing camera is also impressive, with a 16-megapixel sensor that takes great selfies. This device is capable of taking 4K video at 30 frames per second. Overall, I am very impressed with the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. It has a gorgeous design, a stunning display, powerful performance, amazing camera, and long battery life. If you're in the market for a new phone, I would definitely recommend checking this one out. It offers great value for its price and is sure to satisfy even the most demanding users. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Your support helps me continue to create and share videos with you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.